After World War II ended, Allied interrogators asked captured German generals one simple question: which Allied commander worried you the most? The answers were consistent. Not Eisenhower, not Montgomery. Again and again, one name appeared: George S. Patton. German intelligence first became concerned about Patton in North Africa. In early 1943, American forces suffered a serious defeat at Kasserine Pass. To German commanders, this confirmed their belief that the U.S. Army was inexperienced. But everything changed when Patton arrived. He imposed strict discipline, removed weak officers, intensified training. Within weeks, American units returned to battle with coordination and purpose. German reports noticed something alarming. The Americans were learning fast, and Patton was driving it. Patton believed speed decided wars. He taught his commanders one rule: never give the enemy time to think. During the Sicily campaign, his armored columns advanced day and night. He captured Palermo, then raced toward Messina. German defenses collapsed before they were fully formed. Field reports described Patton's attacks as unpredictable and uncontrollable. But the real shock came later, in France. After D-Day, Patton took command of the U.S. Third Army. What followed stunned even Allied planners. In less than 1 month, his forces advanced hundreds of miles. German divisions were surrounded. Supply lines vanished. Every German attempt to regroup failed. Patton never slowed. He had studied German tactics for years. He understood blitzkrieg. Then he adapted it. German officers later admitted Patton often anticipated their counterattacks. Ambushes failed. Reinforcements arrived too late. To them, it felt like Patton was reading their plans. His reputation grew so powerful that even Hitler believed Patton would lead the main Allied invasion. German armored divisions waited near Calais, long after Normandy had begun. That delay saved countless Allied lives. Patton didn't just fight Germany, he confused it. After the war, German generals explained why Patton terrified them. Not because he was brutal, but because he removed their greatest advantage. He attacked faster than they could react, adapted faster than they could plan. Patton wasn't just aggressive, he was relentless. That is why, years later, German officers admitted something rare. George S. Patton was the most dangerous Allied commander of World War II.